Hello everyone, this is Amy with Mystic Hands Massage and Bodywork, and earlier today I made an amazing video. Actually I made two, and I totally got cut off. The first video that I made was one that was pretty phenomenal. There were like millions of birds flying across the ocean, and I've never come across that. But before that happened, I was making a video in regards to my healing, and today I found a full sand dollar. And about 7 years ago, I was in a place in my life where I was broken, and I started doing this healing work here in Half Moon Bay, and each time I would receive a session, I would come to the beach and I would find a broken sand dollar. And today I found a whole entire sand dollar, and it was pretty amazing. And I was so ecstatic, and I thought to myself, wow, this is a pretty amazing day. Today I've been using the tools of Access Consciousness since I left, and I kept saying, how does it get any better than this whenever something good or bad happens? So what ended up happening is I was stuck in traffic, and I said, how does it get any better than this? And someone called and wanted to purchase 2 gift certificates for massage at Mystic Hands, and I said, how does it get any better than this? And the traffic cleared up, and I was able to drive to Half Moon Bay with no traffic. And then I asked again, how does it get any better than this? And I was at the beach and I found a sand dollar, a full sand dollar. And I asked, how does it get any better than this? And again, like millions of birds flew by, like I totally had chills. And how does it get any better than this? And what are you asking in your life that maybe if you start asking and stop looking for an answer, it would show up. The universe would gift you whatever you are asking. So how does it get any better than this, and what else is possible? You can find me at mystichands.net in Pleasanton, California for healing and massage sessions. Thank you and have a wonderful day.